Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 fish. Let's start. S A L M O N Salmon. T U N A Tuna. C A T F I S H Catfish. E E L Eel. H E R R I N G Herring. M A C K E R E L Mackerel. H I L S A Hilsa. R O H U Rohu. P O M F R E T Pomfret. T E N G R A Tangra. Thank you. Visit again. Stay tuned.